As soon as you go to the bridge, these are the tasks that you need to accomplish. Number 1, nav lights displayed, side lights, masthead lights, stern lights. Check if the errors of the gyro and magnetic compass are all correct. Observations of celestial objects, proper input of variables as well. Of course, alarm tested. VHF channel, proper VHF channel, volume and squelch are all adjusted according to your liking. Check for reporting requirements for VTS. VTS stands for Vessel Traffic Services. Traffic conditions, number 7. If in a traffic situation and vessel needs to adjust course, officer being relieved shall not leave until situation subsides. Presence and movements of ships in sight or known to be in vicinity. Position, course, speed, draft, depth, and UKC, these are all need to be checked. Passage plan and progress of ship throughout previous watch. Does the plan require to be revised? Conditions and hazards likely to be encountered during the watch. If not, continue monitoring. Number 10. Charts to be used during watch and intended course. Prepare charts, check catalog. Now, it's like a puzzle piece that you have to connect. Number 11. Prevailing and predicted outside forces, tides, currents, weather, and visibility, and effect of these upon course and speed. Possible effects of heel, trim, water density, and UKC. Operational status of all bridge equipment, radar, ECDIS, Navtex, Echo Sounder, GMDSS equipments, etc. Radar performance test carried out and the result is satisfactory. Make sure that on your screen at your radar, you will see 4 concentric circles, strong concentric circles. If you see 4 to 5, okay, that means your performance test is satisfactory. Record that one in your radar logbook. 15. Identification of shore lights, buoys, lighthouse, etc. Check publications, notices to mariners, and Admiralty information overlay. Number 16. When is the next alteration of course? Check mode of steering at the same time. Number 17. Position fixing accuracy, GPS or via celestial nav. ER watchkeeping arrangement status, and RPM of engine. Make sure that you are well informed inside the bridge if it is manned or unmanned. Number 19. Weather routing advice. Check GMDSS equipment's weather reports. Number 20. Periodic checks of nav equipment, i.e. manual steering test of steering gear, BMManual status, AIS info, course recorder, or Echo Sounder graphs marked and signed as applicable. 21. Follow-up of any distress, urgency, or safety message received. If in case of any fire, fire zone isolated. Number 23. Any special deck work in progress and work permit issued. Working aloft or oversight permit issued and signed. Make sure the bridge is also informed. Number 24. Location of lookout person, extra bridge lookout and accommodation monitoring. Number 25. Ship security status, increase, decrease, or should it be maintained? All logbooks completed, deck log, radar log, GPS, GMDSS, and compass error logbook. In some cases, you have to fill up flag logbook as well. For tanker, status of cargo, monitoring system, and inert gas pressure. Here is your quick list. And by the way, if you want a copy of this PDF, you could click the download button below.